Hi, I'm Dalibor, welcome back to our Nixie tube laboratory. It's been quite some time since I posted the last video, so in this video I would like to give you some update. Some of you were even asking if we are still in business, if we still make clocks. So yes, we are, of course, and thank you very much for asking, I really appreciate it. So the last videos were about preparing production of the Omnixie, figuring some details in the Cerakote coatings, making new tools, making new organizers for the production so that it runs smoothly and so on. And once all this was ready, simply my attention went to the production itself, and there was not so much time for making the videos. With the Omnixie production running, we quickly found that we missed space for the assembly. If you remember, some 3 years ago we gave up 2 big rooms here at the castle, and we found that we need them back. So we decided to rent them back and start with renovation. After 2 years without proper ventilation, with just heating, the 2 rooms were in bad shape. The plaster was peeling, and the water that flows from the foundations of the castle brings a lot of minerals, and they crystallize under the plaster, and this makes troubles. The mold gets to this, and yeah, so we need to remove the peeling plaster, reapply it, and paint rooms. And we also decided to renew the terracotta floor, which is there. It's very convenient type of floor. It's kind of concrete with stones and then polished. The second room was turned into a dedicated storage space. Previously we had the storage space mixed with office area, which is now, I see it's not the best system. It's convenient because you have everything close, but it's also very easy to make errors and not keep track of all the movements when you take things from the storage, and you soon lose track of what's actually in the storage. And when the reality of the storage room matches what's in the computer, then the system can bring all the understock items, and it can remind you when to order next parts for the manufacturing, and it helps to keep you the production running without stops. One of the things that I'm proud of is that for 2025 we finally, for the first time, met our projected annual production plan. I tried to make plans before, but the problem was always that I planned theoretically what we can make, but the reality was always different. And when you slip a few weeks, then it's very difficult to catch up. So the reason why this plan finally worked is that I made it more realistic, and I included some reserve weeks to catch up in case something goes wrong, because in reality, in the workshop, it's very rare to see the things going as planned. People take vacation, they can get sick, the machine breaks down, and it's necessary to think of this ahead. Every couple of weeks we had one spare week where there was no production quota, and this week was used either to catch up in case things were going wrong before, or to build inventory ahead of schedule, and this inventory was later used to compensate the problematic weeks. So that's for the talking, and now let's build the clock. So finally, the Omnixie clocks are in stock. We made so far slightly over 200 of them. So to complete the 300 pieces edition, we still need to make something like 90. They're available on our website. Local shipping available from US, from Europe, from China, and we are now setting up also a partner in Australia. So thank you everyone for watching and for caring about us. It means a lot for me. Thank you very much. And hopefully I will bring another video sooner than in 1 year. Bye.